It started as an American dream in a tiny New York shop. Today, it's a name recognized around the world. But is Bulova still truly American, or has it become something more? On a bustling day in New York City, October 4th, 1875, a 23-year-old immigrant named Joseph Bulova opened a small jewelry shop on Maiden Lane, the heart of the city's jewelry district. This modest store would grow into one of the most influential watch brands in the world, pioneering industry, changing innovations, and passing through the hands of global giants. Now, in 2025, Bulova celebrates its 150th anniversary, a milestone that reflects its transformation from a quintessentially American company to an internationally recognized brand with deep roots in both the US and Japan. Joseph Bulova, a Czech immigrant, had a vision to craft high-quality timepieces that combined precision with affordability. In the early 1900s, Bulova expanded into watch production, embracing the Industrial Revolution's promise of standardization. By 1912, he opened his first dedicated watch factory in Bienne, Switzerland, ensuring Swiss precision while maintaining an American business identity. The 1920s saw Bulova rise to prominence, pioneering mass-produced wristwatches and launching the first ever radio advertisement in 1926 with the slogan, "America runs on Bulova time." The brand became synonymous with innovation, accuracy, and patriotism, supplying watches to the US military during World War II, and later pioneering the first television commercial in 1941, a simple but historic $9 ad that aired before a Yankees game. After Joseph Bulova's passing in 1936, leadership transitioned to his son, Ardé Bulova, who became chairman. Under Ardé's guidance, the company continued to innovate and expand, including the establishment of the Joseph Bulova School of Watchmaking in 1945, a pioneering effort to train World War II veterans in watch repair. In 1958, following Ardé's death, his nephew Harry Henschel assumed the role of president, becoming the last Bulova family member to lead the company. Henschel oversaw one of Bulova's most significant innovations, the Accutron watch in 1960, the world's first electronic tuning fork watch, which was so accurate that it became the official timepiece for NASA and played a role in early space missions. The 1970s brought challenges for traditional watchmakers due to the quartz crisis, which saw an influx of affordable, highly accurate quartz watches from Japan. Bulova, known for its mechanical and tuning fork watches, struggled to compete with the emerging quartz movement revolution. In 1979, Lowe's Corporation, a powerful US conglomerate led by Lawrence Tisch, acquired Bulova, aiming to modernize the brand and help it navigate the changing industry. Under Lowe's ownership, Bulova maintained its American identity and continued producing watches, though it struggled against rising Swiss luxury brands and Japanese quartz competitors. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Bulova sought to redefine itself, launching the Millennia Collection in 1998, featuring solar-powered and motion quartz technologies. While these efforts were innovative, Bulova never fully regained its dominance as a market leader. By the early 2000s, Bulova faced intense competition from both Swiss and Japanese brands, struggling to retain its once dominant market share. In a pivotal shift, on January 10, 2008, Japanese watch giant Citizen Watch Co., Ltd., announced its acquisition of Bulova for $247 million. This move marked the beginning of Bulova's transition from an American-owned company to part of a Tokyo-based global powerhouse. The acquisition made strategic sense. Citizen, known for its precision quartz and eco-drive technology, sought to strengthen its position in the US luxury and mid-range watch market. while Bulova gained access to advanced Japanese manufacturing, cutting-edge innovations, and global distribution channels. Despite the change in ownership, Bulova's headquarters remained in New York City, preserving its American heritage while benefiting from citizens' expertise. As Bulova celebrates its 150th anniversary in 2025, its legacy remains deeply intertwined with American watchmaking history, even as it thrives under Japanese ownership. From the streets of New York to the innovation hubs of Tokyo, Bulova's journey reflects resilience, adaptability, and a commitment to precision that transcends borders. So, is Bulova an American brand? The answer is both yes and no. It was born in America, shaped by American ingenuity, and remains headquartered in New York. Yet, today, it operates as a Japanese-owned brand with a global presence, proving that while ownership can change, the spirit of a brand and the legacy of innovation endures.